Hello, this is Cedric Green. Today is Tuesday, June the 1st, and I'd like to show you a video of this product I bought from the pawn shop. I paid $65 for it, but it didn't have all the parts like to raise, lower and raise the drill piece right there to drill the hole, and the platform with a drill hole in the piece of iron, plastic, wood or something, but it works real well. It had no problem with it. Had lights on it, and there's a pole right there that goes in. I have to put that screw in, and this was disassembled, so that's how I bought it at the pawn shop, disassembled. So I brought it home. Here's the video of me putting it back together again and making it very functional again. In order for me to put it back together, I had to go back to Home Depot and look at their drill press, exactly the same like mine, for some ideas of putting it back to make it very functional again. These are the bolts I found to place the handles that brings the chuck down to drill the holes. I'm using this drill, 6.2 amp motor. That's probably about 1 horsepower. Do the math. This cover opens, just open up, see the pulleys and see the belt inside that turns the chuck right there, that turns that part right there. Bring up and down. It's adjustable. I can move the belt from down here to up here. Same for this motor to up here. So as the motor turn one, this may make about 3 revolutions for every 1 revolution or so. Here's the chart of how to set the belt in the motor and how much revolution in each pulley on the motor and on the bit down there. Okay. Notice I cut them out of wood. Use my jigsaw. 1 long board. That's the other part down there, the foot. Bolted down, 3 bolts, as you can see. Up to the drill itself and the screw to tighten it to keep it from turning on you. Close it. That's how much I paid for at the pawn shop. Get it working so I can start drilling holes and metal and bars and stuff like for my batteries or something, or wood. Eventually I'm gonna paint these two. I'll paint them black so I can match this drill press. So it's a neat buy, but I wish it did had all the parts. RYOBI. Alright, let's do that. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on and show you how it operates and everything. I have it plugged up in the wall right here, as you can see. I turn these switches to the main power switch for the motor and the bit to rotate, and this for the light and the laser. As you can see, it is in operation. There you go. What I do is turn this and bring the bit down and drill a hole through anything I need a hole for. And you got your lights. This is the main light. The laser light, as you can see. And the main light right here. Alright, as you can see. Turn them on, turn them off, shut it down. All I need is another piece goes around up here, so I can hold this platform up straight so I can drill, as you can see. Alright, I've been to Home Depot just a while ago and I got these different parts so I can attach this drill platform board right here. Something kind of better than this, you know, as you can see. This might work though, or I can try to hook the top and bottom part with this here, and this at the bottom, and these two gonna be holding it at the top. Or I could just put this one on now, around the top right here. Some kind of way, and hold it straight up though. Some kind of way like that. Any ideas, anyone? That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, and then I'm gonna, if successful, then I'm gonna paint these two woods here, maybe black or something to match this color here, black. Alright, from the beginning. Alright, I think this way right here, I think it may be the best way to go at it, right? Like this, you know, and then maybe put a screw back there so it can go into the, stay in one of these grooves for adjustment. Because there's no way I can really adjust this unless I use a screw or something, you know. So I'm gonna do that. Here we go. I guess about right here. Alright, I think I found a suitable screw that can kind of hold screw on and go between these, and this was hold this platform up and evenly, so it's adjustable, so it's coming on pretty well. Alright, before I put the screws in, make sure it's level both ways. It's level right there and level all the way across. Alright, looks good. Get the other side. Well, I got both screws in on each side. I'm about to put probably two more on each side behind these, drill extra holes, and then put another screw down each side again to make sure. Okay, to lift this up, all I have to do is loosen the screw, and then I can just bring it up, as you can see, and then tighten it down. Use a wrench or something. Alright, got both the bolts in behind the first bolts, and let me let it up and put the screws in the back hole right there. See how she does? Just lift it up. Alright, I got the platform up right here to the level where the bit can come down, and almost, as you can see, I have to do everything in one hand. Just about touch the board, as you can see. Get kind of close. It's about 3 inches, I guess. You can get closer, so yeah, I'm gonna start tightening and see if this can make it more level, the platform more level, as I tighten it up. Alright, there it is. Come down, as you can see. Let's try with the bit on it now. So put it in here. I'm doing it through one hand, as you can see. Gotta turn this. Get tight. And then take this, wrench and tighten it up. Alright. Always put things back when you get to using them so you won't lose them. My toe. How far it goes down. Almost touching the wood. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Try it on this piece of iron. It's touching. There you go. Alright, I have her connected and let's see how she does. Turn on the main light, lights up the board. It lights up the piece of iron right there and the laser. It's the target right there, the target X. You should never look at in the laser light, it will burn out your eyes, so never do that, alright? Turn on the power. There you go, there it is. Spinning and getting rid of the sub. Since I was turning that in there. Bring the piece of iron up a little closer. Alright. See how she does. It did well, but I only had one hand. I'm doing everything with one hand, so that's why I did that. So it made the hole. It did what it's supposed to do. Drill the hole. Alright. That's what I need this drill bit for. To drill holes in metal and wood and whatever plastic or whatever materials I need to drill a hole through for screws or just for anything, you know. This was a great bargain, and this is how much I paid for it. I just walked in the pawn shop, saw it, and I wanted it. I got it. It was missing parts. Everything turned out right. So right now I'm gonna get ready to paint the wood right here. Both of these, the foot and the drill landing, however you call this. I'm painting black to kind of match this black on this RYOBI drill, you know. Alright, I got my deal wrapped and paper, so I won't get no paint on my drill press and motor especially, and anywhere else I don't want it to be, you know. I'm gonna start painting the wood. I'm gonna paint them black, and these are the paint I'm probably gonna paint it with primer, and maybe this, and this is the color I'm gonna paint it, deep black. Hope I have enough. White. I just put the first coat of blackness on here. You get a black sun before I put on this Rust-Oleum. Alright. Alright, finna apply the final coat of Rust-Oleum black. Here we go. Do that shine. You know what I'm talking about? A drill press should look like. Here too. Trying to be quick. I don't want to get in on my phone or glasses, you know. There it is. I found the paint. Let that dry. bring it back in the house, unwrap it, and enjoy my drill press. That's what I'm talking about. All right, the painting is complete. It's all dry. Look at that. Look at her. Look at the beauty. Right now, taking the tape off of it and stuff. Man. Yeah, there she is right there. All fixed up, painted, you know, ready for me to use. I have it hooked up right now. We'll turn it on. Lights. That's the laser, as you can see, and the light, the main light, and the laser. We'll turn it on. Bring it down. That's for me to use. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is a nice drill press by RYOBI. One of the name brands and tools and everything uses we use this for, you know. So this is great. The summer has begun and hurricane season has begun, so our preppers must get our systems ready because these hurricanes ain't no joke. It sure ain't. I got my system prepped up, as you can see, and see my lithiums, they ain't really hooked up. I do have another set of these coming next week, and then I'm gonna get 2 or 3 more sets because they are so expensive, as you can see. I still got the lead acid batteries, these 4 on the side and the 16 in the battery box. So lo and behold, we must be ready for this. We must survive this. I'd like to thank everybody for watching and see you next time. Sayonara.